Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the altcoin Shiba Inu. If you guys do not know and you have not been following the chart, let's just say Shiba Inu is gearing up for an extreme bull run that might be coming in very soon. On the Fibonacci, it's starting to look pretty good. On any analyst you look at, it's looking incredible. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with Shiba Inu, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video for the YouTube algorithm and for a lot of people to find out how strong the Shiba army really is. If they decide to buy into it, we make a lot of profit, so make sure you slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart of Shiba Inu and show you something very interesting. So you guys remember that this sell-off which happened with the whole cryptocurrency market, and then Shiba Inu did have a very quick retracement which took us back where we started, which was close to 54. Then there was a small correction, I would personally say, and then you can see that in this single hour we decided to close in close to 20%. You know the big reason behind that? The celebrities, those two boys, they decided to promote Shiba Inu and say that they are holding on to it. Now when we did reach the 58 mark, we did have a small retracement. I'd say it's a long but a small one, because we did not go below the lower low which we did go to when we did have the correction. But what is interesting is you guys can see after this lower low, the big pullback we had did not go close to the higher high. So at this point we were a little confused in terms of where we are going from this point on. Now if we do decide to close below the lower low which was the previous one, so if this one is literally on the dot right now, if this one decides to close below this lower low, then most likely we will start going in a downtrend. On the super trend you can see that we're still on an uptrend. It is still signaling towards the green line, but if this does close below this one, most likely it will turn back into the red zone. On the zigzag line you can see it is starting to show us that it is starting to look a little volatile, and at the same time a lot of correction is yet to come and maybe an extreme bull run that might be happening very soon. On the RSI line you can see we're starting to look a little oversold at this point. Are you guys interested in NFTs but you think you have missed out? Well, don't worry, because this new project that launched recently called Lion Kingdom is about to explode and you could be very early into it. Our kingdom begins with a beginning collection of 10,000 lion NFTs generated as cubs with a random combination of 175 different traits. This is based on the Ethereum network, so it is completely safe. And at the same time, a lot of you guys will have the question, Sky, is there a lot of gas fee? And no, in total you will only have to pay 0.07 Ethereum. At the same time, they are top and best and you can be minting them right now. Another thing is they are doing daily giveaways, and there is a huge giveaway happening right now. Close to $14,000 will be given away. If you do want to enter, all the links will be in the description. Other than that, let's get straight back into it. If we decide to look at the 4 hour chart, you can see after the all-time high we have been in a very interesting phase. So from this point you can see that we have started to close in. Same thing is happening from the bottom, so we have been closing in, and exact same thing is happening. And as the symmetrical triangle is coming to an end, we will be able to see some sort of very explosive result from Shiba Inu. Most likely it will be uptrend, but there is a 5% chance it can be downtrend, so make sure you guys do take all the measures you need to for the risk assessment. At the moment you can see even when there is a pullback, it is starting to stay between the symmetrical triangle as much as possible, which is really good, because personally I feel like as long as we are in the middle of the symmetrical triangle, it doesn't matter how bad the situation gets, we will be sticking to the plan, and most likely when the symmetrical triangle comes to an end, we will be going into a very explosive momentum. Overall, personally, I just want to see the buy orders and the sell orders just keep pouring in as they are. As you can see, these buy orders are looking pretty strong, and the same thing is happening around here because we are slowing down a little bit. Also on the technical analysis, now Shiba Inu has gone to the neutral point. We're not on the sell-off zone or we're not on the buy-off zone. Now we are on the neutral zone, but there are a couple of things which will actually push this towards the buy, and I want to show you some of that, and you guys are going to love it. If we decide to look at this, yes, Shiba Inu officially has 1 million holders. Now, just to give you guys a perspective on how big of a deal this is, Chainlink, I'm pretty sure most of you guys have heard of Chainlink, one of the biggest cryptocurrencies, has close to 650,000 holders, and Shiba Inu has 1 million. It just shows how many people are going crazy after this token, and this token is not slowing down anytime soon. Now, talking about another thing which actually makes me personally very happy is Shiba Inu made these poor, working and middle class people millionaires in a year. So supermarket employee earns millions and quits their job. So this man decided to put in some money, and then obviously Shiba Inu exploded and he got a 900% return. At the age of 35, they decide to quit their job and live for themselves. Personally very happy. Then another person was able to go ahead and buy a house while investing in Shiba Inu. Very happy to see, and personally I just love it when people that are working so hard get some sort of reward such as this one. Now, talking about something else which will get you crazy excited is Shiba Inu Whales bought 20 billion tokens each during the dip. All I can say is these whales probably know a lot more than a lot of people know. So at this point, when we are on this dip, they're deciding to buy 20 billion, which is a lot of money. That could be close to $700,000 worth of Shiba Inu being purchased at the moment when people are saying the token is completely dead. So hey, we can be blowing up very time soon. We just need to be patient and make sure that we know what we are doing. Now, talking about this article that was actually posted by capital.com, they talked about how Shiba Inu is looking to restart the bull run very soon because the whole cryptocurrency market was actually down, and Shiba Inu was the only one that was up this week by 7%. That is signaling that the meme token is starting to get back on the feet where it's supposed to be. You guys know when the market was crashing, Shiba Inu was still one of the tokens that was still climbing, and that is exactly what it is doing right now as well. Personally, I'm excited to see where we end off, and there are some things that will actually help it boost up, such as this. Look at this. So our boy Chris, who is actually a part of Columbia, Ohio University, we are seriously considering taking Shiba token for payments on the products of the Premised Replays, which is like a company, would be the first major online sports licensing company to do something so strong to help Shiba Inu army. I mean, personally, I'm ready. Go ahead, put it in right now. We agree. It's a sports company that is starting to accept Shiba Inu as a payment method. And finally, Shiba Inu on the chain activity explodes as the research connects Vitalik to Shiba developers. 5.6 billion in Shiba has been traded in the past 24 hours across the exchanges. Figaro Research has linked Vitalik in a trail of transaction that links his wallet to the development of Shiba Inu. Bricks, a mobile game, burned Shiba Inu through ad revenue to reduce Shiba Inu's circulating supply, and analysts expect Shiba Inu is ready to make an explosive move and resume its uptrend. Personally, I'm really excited to see where we head off from here, but other than that, thank you so much for watching the video till the end. Subscribe if you're new, drop a like on it if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.